Hello guys, so today my name is Diorata Findeda from Stasia. I want to share you steps to prevent COVID-19. The disease caused by coronavirus include fever, a temperature above 37.8 degrees Celsius or skin which feels hot to touch. Second, a new continuous cough. Third, shortness of breath and difficulty breathing. Fatigue, headache, sore throat, and last, access and pains. If you experience fever or a new continuous cough, you should self-isolate immediately. Those experiencing a mild illness don't need to seek medical attention. However, you should use the patient again to find out what to do next if, first, you cannot cope with your symptoms at home. Second, your condition gets worse. Third, you still have fever, are feeling generally unwell or have other symptoms after a week. And last, you are unable to do everyday tasks such as looking at your phone, reading, or getting out of bed. As with other viruses such as cold and flu, taking it easy and looking after yourself are crucial to your recovery. You should first drink plenty of fluids. Drink enough water so that your pee is a pale, clear color. Avoid alcohol as this will make you more dehydrated. Get plenty of rest. You should isolate yourself at home if you have any symptoms of coronavirus and avoid any strenuous activity which leaves you are unwell. Medication. There is not currently a cure for COVID-19 or a vaccine against coronavirus. The aim of treatment is to manage and reduce symptoms until you have recovered. Most people, around 80%, have an asymptomatic or mild infection which can be treated at home. In this case, you should self-isolate. When to seek medical attention. If your illness is worsening or your symptoms haven't improved after 7 days, you should seek medical attention as soon as possible. If it's not an emergency, call 111. If there is an emergency and you need an ambulance, call 999 and tell the call handler that you have coronavirus. Even under the new measures announced by the government to prevent people from leaving their home for non-essential purpose, you are still able to seek medical care of all kinds. You should not see your GP or pharmacy if you think you might have coronavirus. So there so there many so there are many questions about COVID-19. Are there any specific medicine to prevent or treat the new coronavirus? Are there any specific medicines to prevent or treat the new coronavirus? To date, there is no specific medicine recommended to prevent or treat the new coronavirus. However, those infected with the virus should receive appropriate care to relieve and treat symptoms, and those with severe illness should receive optimized supportive care. Some specific treatments are under investigation and will be tested through clinical trials. WHO is helping to accelerate research and development efforts with a range of partners. COVID-19 virus can be transmitted in areas without any humid climates. From the evidence so far, the COVID-19 virus can be transmitted in all areas, including areas with hot and humid weather. Regardless of climate, adopt protective measures if you live in or travel to an area reporting COVID-19. The best way to protect yourself against COVID-19 is by frequently cleaning your hands. By doing this, you eliminate virus that may be on your hands and avoid infection that could occur by then touching your eyes, mouth, and nose. So, the conclude is to prevent the spread of COVID-19 is first, clean your hands often. Use soap and water or an alcohol-based hand rub. Maintain a safe distance from anyone who is coughing or sneezing. Do not touch your eyes, nose, or mouth. Cover your nose and mouth with your bent elbow or a tissue when you cough or sneeze. Stay home if you feel unwell. If you have a fever, cough, and difficulty breathing, seek medical attention. Call in advance. Follow the direction of your local health authority. Avoiding unneeded visits to medical facilities allows healthcare system to operate more effectively, therefore protecting you and others. Thank you.